सर, मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन ये बोलना चाहती हूँ। मैं कलाकार हूँ, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूँ, एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूँ। और सर, मुझे माफ करिएगा, मगर आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting on the chair.
Jaya ji.
And I remember when I went to school.
Jaya ji, take your seat. Jaya ji, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Jaya, 1 second, honorable members. Honorable members. Honorable no. बैठिए. Honorable members. बैठिए. I know how to deal with it. बैठिए. Jaya ji, you have earned a great reputation. You have earned a great reputation. You know, an actor is subject to the director. You have not seen what I see from here. Every day, I don't want to repeat. I don't want schooling. I am a person who has gone out of the way. And you say, my tone? No, she's given to you. No, you don't have floor now. No, enough of it. No, enough of it. You can't have it. You may be anybody. You may be a celebrity. You have to understand the decorum. No, nothing doing, nothing. No, not at all. I will not bear it. One second. Please sit down. Please take your seat. No. Never carry an impression that only you build reputations. We come here build reputations. We live up to reputations. Nothing doing. No. Question number 196. Sushmita Dev.
Sir, she's a member of parliament. How can you call her a celebrity, sir? She's a senior member of parliament.
And the senior member of parliament has a license. Nothing is going on record. A senior member of the parliament has a license to run down the reputation of the chair, to question the tone and tenor. Yes, I have to be in reaction mode to take care of the situation. I have highest respect, but to make it a habit, my tone, my language, my temper, I don't go by script of others. I have my own script. I am not operated by anyone else. Nothing will happen, Kharge ji. Thinking has to be from within. Nothing will happen. We have to get... No, Jaya ji, take your seat. Jaya, take your seat. Take your seat. No. It is misconduct. It's a misconduct. Okay. Get going. I know you want to destabilize the entire nation. Yes. You are out to create chaos in the house. Nothing else is going on record. I shall not be party to this house being converted, Mr. Kharge, as epicenter of disturbance. You are determined to have your way at the cost of Constitution. You are doing it. It is lack of decorum, disrespect to democracy, disrespect to Constitution. You are walking away from your obligations. You are walking away from your duty. Honorable members, they don't want to participate. They know how to create only chaos. I am surprised. Absolutely. The nation is a priority. The nation is always first. Honorable members, honorable members, Honorable members, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Honorable members, एक सेकंड. Honorable members, what a sad day.
I'll tell you what happened is जो कहा जाता है चेयर से, ठीक है, वो चेयर पे बैठे हैं, अलाउड है. अगर वो चेयर से बाहर हैं तो वो भी आम एमपी की तरह हैं, वो हमारे अन्नदाता तो है नहीं. I objected to the tone used by the chair. We are not school children. We are all, and some of us are senior citizens. I was upset with the tone, and especially when LOP stood up to speak, he had switched off the mic. How can you do this? ये तो परंपरा के खिलाफ है. You have to allow the leader. Who is going to protect us? The leader of opposition. We are all together in opposition. If you are not going to allow him to speak, if he is not going to be heard in the house, then what are we doing? And on top of that, I mean, every time using words which are unparliamentary, which I don't want to say in front of all of you. You are a nuisance, बुद्धिहीन, ये सब शब्द जो है ट्रेजरी बेंच वाले भी बोलते हैं. हाँ, he said you may be celebrity, I don't care. I'm not asking him to care. I'm saying I am a member of parliament. This is my fifth term. I know what I'm saying. Nobody has ever spoken the way it's being done nowadays in parliament. What is the problem? And so disrespectful to women. You are talking about promoting women.
आगे आप लोग क्या करेंगे? आगे आप लोग क्या करेंगे और क्या मांग करेंगे?
सुनिए,
मैम, और आगे क्या करेंगे?
What is the way forward?
सुनिए, I need an apology.
बस.
From the chair.
I need an apology for saying I don't care. He has to care. He's on the chair. He has to care.
और तब तक क्या रणनीति होगी मैम? तब तक क्या करेंगे?
अरे हमारे एलओपी जो हमको कहेंगे हम वही करेंगे. वी आर ऑल टुगेदर. हम इंडिपेंडेंट डिसीजन नहीं लेंगे.